Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RIK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix TikTok app is not working on my iPhone or Android device. So guys, if your TikTok app is not working on iPhone or Android device, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps to fix this issue. Number one is make sure your iPhone or Android device is connected to a smooth or stable Wi-Fi connection. Tap on the settings, tap on the Wi-Fi. If your connection is smooth, simply applying the solution number 2. If solution number 1 is not working, like connection is not reliable, connect and other Wi-Fi or mobile data, using mobile data to fix this issue. If solution number 1 is not working, applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check the TikTok app update. Tap on the App Store app. Tap on the profile icon of the top right corner, little bit scroll up. You can see appears on screen TikTok update app update is available. Simply update the app and fix your problem. If solution number 2 is not working, applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is make sure TikTok is working in your country. TikTok is unbanned in your country. If TikTok is banned in your country, simply using the VPN and fix your problem. Using the VPN to fix TikTok is working properly on your iPhone. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset your network settings. Tap on the settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. Reset network settings successfully. When you restore your network settings, your problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is delete the TikTok app from your device. Tap on the app, tap on remove app, tap on delete app. Delete the TikTok app and reinstall again and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is check your device update. Tap on the settings, tap on general, tap on the software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, now simply contact your internet service provider to fix TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook and all apps are not working. If solution number 6 is not working, simply contact applesport.com and contact your internet service provider to fix this issue. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix TikTok is not working on iPhone after the iOS 18.1.1 update. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.